Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. So you have to just go to the Instagram mobile application here. Then you have to click on the bottom right side corner, that is a profile icon. So click on here. And after that, you have to click on the three dot lines, which is on top right side corner. Okay. Then click on the settings here. Then you have to just go to the account and you have to click on cellular data use. So you will find it here, right? And after that, if this toggle is on, you have to just turn it off, right? And after that, this is pretty much, and this will make sure to auto scroll on Instagram Reels, right? So somehow if you're not able to find the cellular data use, you have to just type here data right on the search bar and you will find it, right? And in this way you can also do it. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.